guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Target at the Ontario, California location, and I wanted to show you all of their new Valentine's Day treats, crafts, baking goods, Valentine's Day cards, and their Valentine's Day plush, chocolates, and everything else. So some of their snacks and candies had blank canvases on them that you can write to and from, which would be perfect just to give away as your Valentine or include it in with a card or a little box. Let me know in the comments below what kind of Valentine you like to give away. My personal favorite is to do a little goodie bag and add in some of the treats that I know the person that I'm giving to likes, or make it a little personal and add a little note or a little candy bar. As you can see on the Skittles bag, there is a section to write to and from, which is so cute because you can give that away as your Valentine without having to attach any card or anything to it. And also they had a wide selection of Valentine's Day cards. Personally, I think the best option is to go to Dollar Tree. They had Valentine's Day cards in a quantity of 48 for just $1, whereas Target had about 27 or 24, sometimes just 16 cards for about $2.50 or $3.50. So I think you're getting more for $1 at Dollar Tree. You can check out Valentine's Day cards they had in my previous video. I'll go ahead and link it below and at the end of the video if you're interested. Target also had Valentine's Day cards that came with pencils, erasers, some jokes. They were scented scratch and sniff. So a lot of cute cards, but again, you only get 16 for $3.50. I also saw these decorative kits that you can put together as a craft. And they also had Valentine's Day sticker books that came with a bunch of little stickers. Now my favorite section here was all the little knickknacks you could put together for a goodie bag. They had heart-shaped little silly putties, bouncy balls, also erasers in the shape of dinosaurs, and little pinball games. They also had these pencils, some keychains that were just too cute, and also these bubble sticks. And my personal favorite, stamps. Now right above all of these, they also had the goodie bags that you could put them in along with some candy, and you're good to go to give it out as your Valentine. Target also had these giant Valentine's Day cards that were so cute. And they also had a bunch of little ones as well. Now onto the best section of all, the chocolate. They had a large variety. They had chocolate-filled ones, strawberry ones. They also had rose-shaped ones, a bunch of different ones, whatever you're looking for. They also had themed chocolate that we will look at in just a little bit. I was also surprised to come across this creme brulee Ghirardelli chocolate. Lots and lots of chocolate. They also had coupon books and quote books for your significant other, or you can give them out to your friends, your family, or any other special person in your life. Now these are where the chocolates got a little personal. These are all teacher themed, which I think is so cute. I know this year students may not be in class, but if your child is able to see their teacher or maybe a teacher's aide, these would be the perfect little Valentine's Day gift to give away. And also another aisle of chocolates. They also had gummies in the shape of dinosaurs, teddy bears, and unicorns. These flamingos had little pieces of chocolate at the bottom of them. And more chocolate in Avengers and Batman heart-shaped tins. My personal favorite was this movie snack kit. It came with M&Ms, popcorn, and a bucket to put your popcorn in. And they also had a lot of plush that either came with chocolate or just the plush on their own. I also loved this cake-shaped Belgian chocolates that was too cute. Now onto all of the plush and the pillows. These were so adorable. They had teddy bears and heart-shaped pillows along with a little owl or sloth. I'm not quite sure exactly what this is, but it's pink and it's really cute. And this little dog that had the heart in its mouth was just too adorable. These giant teddy bears with all the hearts all over, the pink one was definitely my favorite for $14.99. Now, on to my personal favorite section, which is the skincare and face masks. I came across the hydrating sheet mask in rose water, so I definitely had to pick this up. For $2.59, it is a little overpriced, but the packaging, of course, too cute. I also saw the Lip Smackers chapsticks. They also had the Dynamic Duo Gold Sheet face masks, which was for hydrating and nourishing. I picked that one up as well, and the Candy Hearts Fantasy mask definitely had to come home with me. Along with the Fantasy Teddy Bear face mask, they also had a heart-shaped and rose petal bath bombs, along with a glow-up trio face mask and a under-eye trio face mask, along with Burt's Bees chapstick and a hydrating bath confetti salt. Some more giant Valentine's Day cards, along with a bunch of little ones that are just too cute. These ones were very cartoony and some of my personal favorite. And these scratch-off Valentine's Day cards were new to me, which I think is such a great idea. It gives it a little bit of a mystery, and it's so cute. I also came across a baking section for Valentine's Day. They had cookie cutters, cookie platters, a baking platter, along with a Reese's baking cookie pan. A lot of funfetti baking cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. They also have resealable treat bags, or if you bake any cookies, you can give them out to all of your favorite people. Also a hearth wreath and a Happy Valentine's Day banner. And of course, some more chocolates. This section was under $5, but you could also get 2 for $9. I also thought this section was cool. Chocolate-shaped tools, along with some white chocolate golf balls. For all of these people in your life that like to work with tools or play golf, that would be perfect. They also had this avocado solid white and milk chocolate. And this dinner date, which was in the shape of a steak, broccoli, and strawberry that was all chocolate. They also had a solid white and milk chocolate banana. And for those sports fans in your life, basketball and tennis-shaped gumballs. I also came across some donut-shaped chocolates. And who would not love this giant kiss candy? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what items you would pick up for your sweet Valentine. I hope to see you in my next video. I will be posting a Five Below shopping video this Wednesday, If you'd like to see any of these Target Valentine's Day items up close with prices, head over to my Instagram and I will be showing it to you there. Take care, and I'll see you Wednesday in my 5 Below video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.